This is Ferreira from anyhousecleaning.com, and I already did the estimate for this house. They bought the house. It's a management company. I don't know if the management company or the realtor bought it, or if there is this house for another client and the management company is management the property. The house was in really bad condition. They paint the whole house inside, and they put new carpets. So now is the cleaning process. Windows inside and outside, rails, doors. Remove pet hair if there is any. I didn't see that much pet hair, but I see a lot of grime, grease, and dirt. The refrigerator, we have to clean it. I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna remove the refrigerator to be easier and pressure washer. The refrigerator smells really, really bad. There is some mold inside the refrigerator, and it's gonna take us a lot of time, so I prefer to pressure wash the refrigerator. I think I'm gonna do that. So this is just the first video that I can show you. Let me take some pictures. The realtor that I work with, he likes the videos that I do. That's his backup for the client. They didn't finish to remodel. A lot of trash. I don't do nothing about the garage. All those hangers were on top of the top, master bathroom top. I have another video. I don't know if I'm gonna edit this video or no. I'm not sure about it. A lot of paint, and blue paint, if you can see. Paint, dirt, grime on the ground and the tile. That's the last step that I'm gonna do. Check this out. So people that are renting or bought a new house, they get impressed for the carpet, but it's brand new, and they get impressed of the walls and the new painting. However, if you really want to know if the property was in really good condition, you have to look in kitchen cabinets, how greasy it is, how old it is. Hilda already cleaned this area in the kitchen, remove everything. They bought houses with things. A lot of paint on doors. Hilda's trying to remove everything that she could. After that, we are gonna use another product, especially for paint, in case that doesn't come out any stains or any paint. The kitchen was in really bad condition. I don't know if I have another video, photos. 2-3 days ago I came here in order to do the estimate, and I put already the cleaning products, but it's in really that bad condition that Hilda had to put again the oven cleaner. We have to save this stove. A lot of grease. The kitchen cabinet is really dirty and greasy. Esta parte no se ha hecho, ¿no?
No.
Okay, good. The top of the cabinet must be greasy too. Let me take a look. Some paint already, I see that. Oh yeah. Oh, love it, love it, love it. Really good. This kind of job, it takes us a lot of hours. Hilda is the person who always takes care of the kitchen, the house. She has more experience in that, and she knows what products works better than others. So this is just a video. I'm taking some photos And after it's complete the cleaning, I will take another video to make a comparison. This house has 1, 2, 3, 4 bathrooms. Juan Carlos already put some cleaning products on the side of the sink, Lysol on the toilet, mini blinds. I don't know, that's really bad, that's rust. This is the condition. And we not only have to clean it and remove the soap scum and try to do the best as we can, but we have also to work to remove some paint from the painters. This is inside the sink or bathroom cabinets. Paint, this is a spray paint over here. This vent, you see that we have to remove that dust. Okay. In the rooms, light fixtures, light switches, windows, blinds, doors, nothing major because they painted. Juan Carlos is working right now in the master bathroom. This is another area, not that much to do. They painted, have to vacuum, of course we have to do the windows. Remove paint, Juan Carlos is brushing. All the walls in this master bathroom. The sprayer. I have been working in this toilet. All the toilet was covered of paint, and now it looks really good. Closet, windows, let me go to another bathroom. The kitchen cabinets, no, the bathroom cabinets are really bad. Paint, spray paint over there, more paint on the bathroom cabinet. This is my marker. I hope I can take it out. All the bathroom cabinets are really dirty. We clean and we try to do everything that we could. Some stains won't come out, even though we put everything, but we always try to do our best. Doors. Windows, vents. Okay. There is still things inside the cabinets, inside the drawers. We have to remove everything and take it out. That's trash. Have to remove that. We already put some cleaning product inside, especially the edges. Put some cleaning products there. Okay, so this is the job. Paint, more paint. So a lot of things to do in this house. Sliding door. I hope, and I'm gonna try to finish today. I'm not sure if I could. Let me try to do the best that we could. A lot of trash, dust. The floors, really bad. There's another bathroom here. Some paint, garbage. The video doesn't reflect the reality. If you see something dirty in a video, put it 2 times. In reality, 2, 3 times. Check that out. I was putting some cleaning products. We have to put some bleach, but they have to recock. We already put the cleaning product inside the toilet. The floor, we have to scrub the floors. A lot of things to do. Well, this is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning, and you can call us at 407-572-4118 for a free in-home estimate. You can visit our webpage, anyhousecleaning.com. Thank you. Bye.